Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm announcing a giveaway from PlantsbyMail.com for 2 $100 gift cards. I'll give you the details on how to go about getting yourself registered for one or both of those cards. One of them will be over here on YouTube and the other one over on my Instagram. As you saw in the beginning of the video here, I unboxed 8 Baby Jim boxwoods that I got that PlantsbyMail.com sent me. These are 1 gallon containers or trade gallon containers. I think they're 2.5 quarts is actually what they are. They send those in this box right here where they can lay flat, and they have this piece of cardboard inside that holds them in place really nicely. So they're in great shape when they get here. That's 8 Baby Jim boxwoods. These are going to go out in the front yard. The front yard is going to be a pretty informal garden with lots of flowering herbaceous perennials. But in the winter time, when all that stuff dies to the ground, I'm going to have something like this Baby Jim boxwoods that will give me something year-round in that space. Also have 2 of these nightlight Camiaciferous. I planted these at the old house, and I used a bunch of these Baby Jim boxwoods at the old house. So I'm excited to put some in here at the new place. And this is this nightlight Camiaciferous. I got 2 of these that are going in the front yard space, and my favorite Loropetalum right here is Purple Diamond Loropetalum. I got one of these as well. All of these are in trade gallon containers. I have one more piece that I hadn't opened yet. The larger pots, this is a 2-gallon container right here. The 2-gallon and a 3-gallon container come in boxes like this, which I've shown many times. You actually unbox these by opening them at the bottom, and they have these little tabs on the side that kind of hold these pots from sliding to the top, just in case they get turned upside down in the truck. But we can just open the bottom of the box and lift the box right off the top of them. And this is a cast in bronze Distillium. I have the jewel box Distillium I've already put in the yard right here. If you want to go back and watch that video, there'll be an upcoming video on cast in bronze Distillium. But this is a really nice one. This one, when it's actively growing, has beautiful bronze new foliage. And this is another evergreen. So these are all evergreen items that I'm going to use in that front yard space to have a little bit of formality amongst a lot of things that, like I say, will disappear in the winter time. So the way to go about winning these 2 $100 PlantsbyMail.com gift cards is you can leave a comment below this video on YouTube. I'll also put this video, I'll have a link to it on Facebook, but making a comment on Facebook won't enter you in the drawing. Make sure it's on the YouTube, at the bottom of the YouTube video. And then go over to my Instagram at HortTube, and I'll put up some sort of photo that's me holding the box or something like that today, and you can make a comment under that, and that will get you entered for the 2 $100 gift cards. I'll do this drawing like in 2 Sundays from now on the garden question and answer video that I do on Sundays, but I'll wait for 2. I do one this Sunday. The second one from now is when I'll do this drawing. I'm pretty excited about this. It's almost fall, and it's a great time of year to be thinking about ordering plants and buying plants and planning for the garden at this point. They've started to put some things back on the website. I was able to get quite a few things. This year's been so crazy in retail plant business that there's not a tremendous amount of availability, but I've noticed that things have started to be added back to the website as we've gotten closer to fall, and things have got a little bit more growth on them at the nursery. So hopefully they'll have a good selection at PlantsbyMail.com. I've done several videos with them. Great people. You see everything I've ever unboxed from them. It's just absolutely fantastic. So like I say, make a comment below this video on YouTube, and then go over to Instagram, make a comment below the post that's associated with this video. And good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching.